In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font weight on Squarespace. If you've been looking to adjust the appearance of the text on your website for a cleaner look or better readability, you're in the right place. Changing font weight might seem like a tiny tweak, but it can significantly affect your site's overall aesthetic and user experience. Let's dive right in and make your text exactly how you want it. First things first, head over to the Squarespace homepage. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers multiple ways to log in, but for simplicity and efficiency, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is super convenient if you have a Google account because it streamlines the process. So click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you wish to use. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one. After ensuring you're on the right dashboard, we're going to move towards the customization section of your site. Our next stop is the style area. Squarespace's interface is designed to be intuitive, so locating the style section should be pretty straightforward. It's here that you can begin the process of customizing various elements of your site, including the font. After entering the Style section, look for the Font menu. You should see an arrow indicating you can expand the font options. Clicking on this arrow will reveal the different aspects of fonts you can adjust, including weight, size, and style. For changing the font weight, you'll focus on adjusting the base size slider. This is your main tool for determining how bold or light you want your website's text to appear. Take your time experimenting with different settings here. Remember, small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and overall look. After you've adjusted the font weight to your liking, don't forget the most crucial step, saving your changes. It might seem obvious, but it's easy to overlook this final step in the excitement of customizing your site. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the settings panel, and give it a click. This will apply your changes live on your website. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the font weight on your Squarespace site. Take a moment to view your site and see how the new font weight enhances the user experience and the visual appeal of your content. Feel free to make further adjustments as needed. Sometimes it takes a few tweaks to get everything just right. Changing font weight is just one of the many ways you can customize your Squarespace site to better reflect your brand's personality and improve readability for your visitors. Play around with different styles and weights to find what works best for your site. Your perfect font setup is out there, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're new to Squarespace or looking to enhance your existing site, I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, a well-designed website is crucial in today's digital world, so take the time to make yours stand out. Happy customizing!